Okay, where the places? Got it.
Oh, Blue Foxy, I don't think this is safe.
Oh, come on, guys. Don't you not know how dangerous this is? It could be like 10 times fun. Oh, I'm not sure about that, man. Well, I mean, the last time I loaded a big dangerous firework, it did not end well. Okay, actually, you know what? I'm lighting this thing. Okay, okay. Okay, everybody, stay back! Alright, shoot this, guys. This is gonna be the biggest ever! What the? Oh, let me try again. Hey, police, I just have that one question. So, do you mind if it's okay that we light a huge, dangerous firework right here in the open? Oh, come on, sister. You're not really calling the JF authorities, are you? Oh, sorry. Okay, okay. Everybody, stay back this time. Oh my gosh. This again.
Actually?
What?
There might be a 90% chance that this might be exclusively dangerous and that you might die.
Oh, it's right!
Okay, chill, man. I'm sorry.
God, man. Okay. Fourth attempt.
Oh, dang.
Oh, dang. I guess that's what he gets if he doesn't listen. Whoa, look!
What? Wow! Oh, I didn't know it would work at that time.
Whoa, that's epic. So huge.
Size of a mansion. That's cool. So big it could hurt. Oh, no.
Oh, what did I miss? Oh, no.